This guy discovered that electricity is a taboo to stay. Nigeria that gives electricity to neighboring countries, Benin Republic, Togo, and all the rest of them. I think some part of Ghana, as I heard. I don't know how true is it. But unfortunately, Nigeria does not have light. So this guy saw all these things. He took advantage of what is probably the problem to bring a solution. And what did he do? He invented a vehicle that you don't need any light to charge it. You don't need any fuel. You don't need any oil. You don't need any water. You don't need nothing. Wind vehicle. This is for the way he went to China, the China people, they were how many minutes looking at him. So let me not talk much about him because he is not the person we are talking about. Today we have discovered yet another wonderful brother who has been hiding. If I put it that way, because as long as somebody is not yet know, it's like he's in hiding place. But one thing I know, golden fishes does not have a hiding place. Before I unleash the cat out of the bag, do me a favor, follow this page. Ready to share the video. We have our special guest today. I am talking no other person. Okay, I am talking to no other person that Engineer Vincent. Engineer, good to have you on Jovika TV, sir.
Good to have you too. Thank you.
God bless you. Those of you on TikTok, you can always hear his voice. If need be for me to show you his face on my screen, I think I will believe that intermediary. So, but just stay put and listen to incredible revelation he's going to leash out today. You know, I don't just bring people, I bring people. I don't just bring people, I bring people. Engineer, can you please tell us your name, your full name, and where you're from? Over to you, sir.
I'm Engineer Vincent Gochukwu Obi George, but I'm known as Engineer Dr. Ovus Solar and Mechatronic Limited.
Engineer
I'm from
Dr.
Mbos in here, local government of Anambra. Yes.
Okay,
Ovus.
okay.
Solar and Mechatronic Automation Limited.
Oh,
I'm from
wonderful.
Mbos in here, local government of Anambra State, Nigeria.
Oh,
and,
you're from Anambra State.
I'm a graduate of electronic. Yes, Iyala, Mbos precisely. And I'm a graduate of University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Electronic Engineering, University of Nigeria, Nsukka.
Wow. Oh, the engineer is
not
as a result of
veterinary medicine.
Oh, you did what?